let's bust some meadow myths here today. Hi, I'm Elise and I am the Lawn to Meadows coordinator. Myth number 1. Meadows are a better habitat for ticks. The main vector of Lyme disease, Ixodes scapularis, actually prefers to live in forested habitats and in edge habitats that transition a forest into other habitat. Myth number 2. Meadows create more habitat for all of the snakes that would like to bite your ankles. That is not true, partially because snakes don't want to bite your ankles, but also because meadows create a lot of shade near the ground that snakes don't really want to sun themselves in, so they would prefer a more open habitat that gets warmer on the ground surface like your lawn. Myth number 3. By planting a meadow, you're going to attract a lot of rodents. Well, mice mostly eat seeds that come off of grasses, and so they prefer meadows and systems that are very grass heavy. But the meadows that we like to plant are very flower focused to attract more pollinators instead.